This week we are designing this kitchen plan, which was made by professional kitchen designer. Hi, my name is Konstantinos and I'm not a professional kitchen designer, but I'm going to recreate this design with KitchenWhiz. If I can do it, you can do it also, so let's get started. I have created a new project. I'm gonna select a big scale and start drawing the room shape. The first wall is 485, so I just have to click once, type the dimension and click enter. Then we have a mini wall here that is 20 centimeters, 370, ,83 centimeters, 460, 283, 70 centimeters. As you can see, this is a very complex room, but as long as the walls are 90 degrees, it's not a big problem for KitchenWhiz. You just have to input the dimensions one by one. So this wall is 68 centimeters, 335, 68 again, 750, 92 centimeters, and I'm just going to close the room shape. Gonna click next and we are going to add our windows and doors. This kitchen plan has a lot of windows and a lot of balcony doors and one sliding door. We have one window on this wall that is 150 centimeters, 55 centimeters in height, and 105 centimeters from the floor. It's 4 centimeters away from the wall, and now we can add the balcony doors. The balcony doors are 290 centimeters, and this one is 35 centimeters away from the end of the wall. We have another one that is the same dimension, and this one is 50 centimeters away. We have one here that is 283, no, it's actually 250. I made a mistake there. And it's 23 centimeters away. And finally we have one sliding door that is 110 centimeters, and it's 60 centimeters away. Okay, Next we have a couple of fixed columns. This fixed column is 4 centimeters, but the minimum we can do with KitchenWhiz is 5, so I'm gonna leave it as 5 for now. It's not a really big problem. You just have to know your cabinet maker when he is producing the cabinets that the fixed column is actually not 4 centimeters and it's 5 by 4. I'm gonna rotate the fixed column. You have to click on it, click rotate, then we're going to pick it and add it in the corner. Something happened there, so I'm gonna try again. Okay, so the one fixed column is positioned and we have another one here that is 33 centimeters in width by 5 centimeters and it's 105 centimeters away from the wall. So this looks correct and we can move to the next step. I'm going to select custom heights for my cabinets and let's go see the dimensions. Okay, so the wall cabinets are 53 centimeters. We have 70 centimeters in between and the base cabinets are actually 92 centimeters. KitchenWhiz will not allow me to add 92 centimeters of height, so what I'm going to do is make it into 91 and increase this one to 71. Gonna click next and now we start drawing the shape of the kitchen. Going to add base cabinets here, wall cabinets above, and tall cabinets here. I want to see how much is the length of the tall cabinets. It's approximately 370. I'm gonna make it 381, click save, and also we have a fixed object here, so we have to make sure that this is not in the way of the cabinets. Let's see how far away this is. Okay, so it's more than 400 centimeters away and we are less than that, so we can move forward. Now we have to add one island, which is 60 centimeters in depth and 180 centimeters for the length. And I'm gonna place it in front of the tall cabinets. Next we can add the appliances like the sink, the dishwasher right next to the sink. I'm gonna add a double oven on the tall cabinets and I'm going to place it 156 centimeters away from the wall. The hob, I'm going to place it here. I'm gonna move it a bit to the left. As you can see, we cannot go any further here because KitchenWhiz will not allow you to, because if the hob is too close to the wall, then it's considered a fire hazard, so we recommend at least 30 centimeters away from the wall. Gonna click save, and for the hood, I'm gonna leave it behind because if I select built-in with 60 centimeters, the hood will be placed directly above the hob, and if we go to the end, and see the front view, we can see that the hood is raised in a higher height than what we have here, and also we cannot achieve this design because these are custom cabinets and we cannot merge these two. So instead, what I'm going to do is go back and say no thank you to the hood, and if I move to the end and see that front view again, then we can see that we can make changes to the cabinets so that we match the design. So let's go back and add the fridge, which is 80 centimeters, and I'm going to move it here. And we don't have a washing machine, and so now we can start customizing the design. So the front views are generated and the 3D is generated with all the appliances, and I'm gonna start customizing the widths of the cabinets. Let's start with the tall cabinets. This cabinet is 71 centimeters. I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna make this cabinet a bit bigger by merging with this one, and this a bit smaller. So this looks symmetrical to me, and if we compare it with the original design, we won't be able to add this Rolex accessory here and the open cabinets here with KitchenWhiz. But what you can do is you can mark the widths of the cabinets and make them represent these accessories so that you can tell your cabinet maker where you want these accessories to go. Another thing we won't be able to do is this custom cabinet here, which is open, and we won't be able to extend the countertop here. But these are small details that you can always communicate to your cabinet maker. So next we are going to customize the wall cabinets here. I'm gonna split this one and make this into a 90 centimeters cabinet. Merge these two and also this. I'm gonna change the wall cabinets so that they have one door each. The original design doesn't have any handles. We cannot do this yet in KitchenWhiz, but that's okay. And I'm gonna split this cabinet so that we can create a cabinet below the hob here. And then I'm going to split this cabinet so that it's 31 by 60 centimeters, so that this cabinet is symmetrical with the hob. And I will change the type of these two drawers. And now what is left to do is play around with the colors of the room. We are going to start first with the cabinets. So I'm gonna select one cabinet, select the wood surface, and let's find the wood color that matches this color. Let's try the oak light. Here the side of the island is very bright because we have too many windows in the room, and this is probably something we have to fix. We have to better improve in KitchenWhiz. So let's compare the color. Here it's a bit darker because of the general lights in the room here. So I think this looks okay, and what is left to do is make the cabinets here into white, the wall cabinets. I'm gonna select the glossy surface, hit white, and do the same for the rest. The change happens in real time and we can see it immediately. The countertop is white, but if you want to change it, you have to click on customize colors, and let's for example make it dark, and the change again is instant. I'm gonna change it back to white, and the final change I want to make is make this into a one-door cabinet because I believe it looks better. And we are done here. You can download the screenshot, and also you can download scaled kitchen plans in 2D with all the measurements included. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, click the like button below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you want to use KitchenWhiz for free and design your kitchen, then click the link below in the description.